Birds are some of the most ornate creatures there is in this world. Some show bright colors, sometimes in combinations. They also have feathers that are modified and ornate, and also behavioral displays to match with. These females use to select a male to mate and reproduce, but they can be altered by changes in the environment. I am Jocelyn, Curator of Ornithology at the Royal Alberta Museum. I invite you to come on Wednesday, February 10, to listen to some of the exciting, even surprising finds that I've made over the years.